Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what time it is? You're supposed to say, what time is it? No, I'm just kidding. It is 30-second card time. So if you've never watched one of these episodes, I beg you to go watch our first one. It was more than 14 years ago now. I told Ken back then that I could probably make a card in 30 seconds. And he said, well, let me time you and see. And you have to go watch to find out what happened. But it was kind of cool because this video segment series was released. We call it a 30-second card in 5 minutes. Now, sometimes it's a little bit more. Sometimes it's less. You never know. I never know because I really don't plan it. I just kind of say, okay, what's on my desk? I'll use that. And so today, what's on my desk, I just finished taping the card kit video. So I still have the card kit items on my desk. I have the color palette from the card kit, which is gorgeous, by the way. I love that it's different than what I would normally choose. And that's good for me because sometimes I need to be pushed a little bit to use different colors. So it's perfect for me. Also, I have my paper pad, which is gonna help me, right? And I haven't used this one in a long time. And let me just tell you, I love this one. And when I first show it to you, you're gonna say, what? It's a Christmas die. It is not, and I'm gonna prove it to you. It is the floral swish die. And yes, it does have flowers in it that could easily be poinsettias. However, I'm gonna prove everyone wrong. This is not a Christmas die set. We're gonna use this die base. And I just have like my Hawaiian shirts, my tropical sets. I have some of the stickers left over from my card kit. Who knows? I don't know. You don't know. Let's just do this and see what happens, right? Get that out of the way because it's in the wrong spot. So I got to find my zen. Take a deep breath. Sometimes I talk too much. I bet you never thought that, right? I'm such a dork. Okay, Ken. Hang on, let me think for half a second. Okay. Ken, are you ready to start the time? He's shaking his head yes. Give me Stephanie 1 second because she's going to kind of look at this. On your marks, get set, set the time. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, I'm grabbing my blue here. I think it's Blue Jay. Whoa! I just fell on the ground. Now I'm going to lay this down and I am going to run this through. And I have to do it a little bit at an angle. It's the card base. I'm going to go a little bit at an angle, run that through. Oh, I am a little short on space here. Look at this. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Got the card base. Drop that. I'm going to fold that in half. Boom. Card base done. Easy peasy, right? Now I dropped the die. Got to grab it. And we're going to go in here and we're going to find some pattern paper. And you know what? I'm telling you, this one is like my fave. So we're going to use this one. It's a random pattern, so I don't have to line it up. Something just fell at my feet. And we are going to get a cutting pad and we're going to run that one through. So easy peasy. And this one is awesome. This pattern that I chose, the Hawaiian flower, the hibiscus, because it has every color in it, so I can pull anything I need to. So let's grab this. Let's look at this. Hang on. Let's not put anything down until we decide, right? So now let's grab, let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Let's find one of the, cutting sheets. Hang on. Oh my goodness. Well, this one. So I'm going to grab this one and I'm going to use die cut this one. So I have to get out my dies from my die hard set. And the cool thing about this is I want to make sure it pops off this page a little bit. So I am going to make sure I use the shadow die. So I will have a little bit of white all the way around. And I don't have any washi tape here. So we're going to play this by ear, right? Oh, right there. Stay, stay, stay. Do not move. Do not move. Do not move. Ugh. Lay that down. Run that through. Do not move. Do not move. Do not move. Sometimes if you yell at it, it's good. Oh, okay. Run away. Run away. Run away. Here we go. Got that. Put that back so you don't lose it. Perfect, right? Now, we do need some adhesive foam on this because it will, and I don't have time to find a scrap, so we're just going to go like this. We're going to add this on top of that. Dun, dun. Oh, you know what? Well, I'll do it this way. Okay, so now I know that's going to look good on there, right? Look how cute that is. So I'm looking at this and I'm going, but wait, let's just check. Oh gosh, maybe I should use a pattern that's not as bright. Hang on. Let's use, hang on. No, let's get a different one. See, I knew this was going to happen to me. Oh, yellow. We don't want to introduce yellow. We need green. That green was good. See, Stephanie gets a little too picky sometimes and she shouldn't. Okay, let's do this one. let's try this one. Let's get that die again. I feel like that flower one that I picked was a little too busy for my t-shirt my shirt to pop out, to really show up. So we're gonna try this one instead. I mean, I do have some standards, right? Okay, let's look. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, much better. So now we're gonna add this one down. So, you know, I just can't throw anything together. Oh, just did the wrong side. We will fix that. Okay, let's do this. See, it's because it's got that cute flower on the other side. So we're gonna do this. Now, I have a little bit of adhesive on the wrong side, but some of that's gonna be covered with my little, cute little dun, 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 dun right here. So we're gonna lay that down. We're not gonna worry about the other adhesive because it is what it is. Now we need to get a little sticker or something on here. Ooh, wishing you calm. Let's see if that'll fit on there. That won't fit. You're the coolest friend. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna peel this off. You're the coolest friend. And we are going to trim this right there so we can make this smaller. You're the coolest. Oh, and we gotta like trim this now because we wanna center that right there. And then we're gonna trim this right there. And so now this is gonna say, you're the, oh my goodness, this is taking too long. Coolest friend, right? Coolest friend. Now we still need something on here. So let's look. Oh, here we go. Here, oh, where'd my flowers go? Let's grab these. So we already have the red on there. We have green. Let's pull in more red. So let's add the red right there. There we go. And then on the inside, we're gonna get one stamp really quick. Hang on, no, that won't work. Oh my goodness, it's taking too long! I sound like a 4-year-old. Let's see. What does it say on the front? You are the coolest friend. Oh, here, laying back and thinking of you. That is perfect. So we're gonna grab this one. We're gonna lay this down. Oh my goodness, it's taking way too long. This is gonna be like a 20-minute card. Here we go, here we go, here we go. We're going to click that down right there. And I'm gonna do the back. Look at this, I have my personalized stamp on the back. Dun, 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 dun. And one more second, Kenny, because I gotta add a little flower on the inside because it's driving me crazy. Stop. I'm a little concerned on this one, you guys. I'm a little concerned that I hesitated too much and I had to re-die cut this one. Now, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room. Yes, there is adhesive on the side here. Now, they do make, and I might, oh, I do have one. You can get these like at Walmart, okay? So this is like an adhesive remover. It costs like $2 at Walmart, but it might not be a good thing. Might not be a good thing. So just go gentle, and it's usually takes off the gunk. We're not counting this in my time because this was a real true mistake. So it usually will kind of like peel off the gunk. You could also add powder to it and kind of just like let it go. Or you could put something else there, which I think is probably the best thing for me to do. Let's put, ooh, watch this. So I know this is against my time, but whatever. So we're gonna put a flower there. Now remember, we always wanna do 3. And we're gonna just do a red flower, blue flower right on that one. There we go. Now, please tell me my secret is safe with you. Okay, Kent, so here we go. Here we go. You're the coolest friend. Full Hawaiian shirt, right? Isn't that awesome? Got my hibiscus flowers on there that match the shirt. Open it up, laying back and thinking of you. Get it, lay, because a flower lay. Thinking of you. And on the back, it says, warning, handmade with sass and love. Hugs, Stephanie. A personalized stamp I had made on our website. Okay, Ken, I'm a little concerned. Now, really quick, this piece that goes literally with this set, normally I would keep it in there. But because this is such a large cutout piece, I will still keep it with my pattern paper pad because it's, I mean, I can cut a whole bunch of different things out of that, right? Okay, Ken, tell me the good news, bad news. Oh, wow. Wow, not as bad as I thought. So my 30-second card was 5 minutes and 8 seconds. I'll be honest, I was expecting much worse. So I will easily accept that 5 minutes and 8 seconds because, you know, between you and me, If I wouldn't have die cut that second sheet instead or added that adhesive on the mistake, it would have been under 5. And that's not bad, right? So here we go. There it is. I love it. And you know what? Let me just tell you, these cardstock stickers are the bomb because they're so much easier to literally just cut and go, right? So my friends, thank you so much for joining me for another episode of Stephanie's Crafting. No, totally not even the right video. Thank you so much for joining me for this episode of a 30-second card in 5 minutes. This time it was what, 5:08? 5 minutes, 8 seconds. Thank you so much. I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.
So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart and feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. Girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways, but what's the point if you never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, 'cause you look good, and there will never be connection without repeated actions, but wish we could have it like that, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart and feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways, but what's the point if you never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, 'cause you look good, and there will never be connection without repeated actions, but wish we could have it like that, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me.
Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.